Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Zaheer here, and today we will learn custom number formatting. And hope you have learned syntax of number formatting, how to display a positive, negative, and zeros, and how to display numbers in thousands and millions. Hope today's class we will learn much more. It will go advanced on custom number formatting. Okay, let's go. Yes. See, as you can see my screen where I have a month and different month, and I have a products sold, which I've sold every month, and I have products planned to sold, which is this is my plan. This is actually I have sold on this month. So I would like to know the difference exactly, and I wanted to display in this format. Like I just if it is yes, I have sold more than what I have planned, it will show as up arrow with a green. And if I've sold less than what I have planned for the month of February, it should show in downwards. Similarly, this I want to display, with percentage and with up and down arrow. Okay, let's go how and see. So let's take a format of this. I'll just use right click here, go to just say create a copy, move to end. So I have created one more format. So now what I'll do is I'll just select this, go to clear all. I'll do similarly. I'll do here. You can press F4 as well. Just repeat it also, and this symbol also. I'll just delete it. And let's say in the month. Let's if you say Jan, and just drag here, it will come until December. So you can also write like that. Okay, now I need to know the difference. So what is my actually sold minus my plan? So this is the number I'm getting, which is in plus. So I'll just select this one. Let's reduce the decrease the decimals. Okay, so this is the differences between what is my plan versus actually sold. Okay, now what we need is symbols. So symbols, how you will get it? Like if you go to insert, go to symbols, and go to like say Arial. This one is Arial, and geometric shapes. If you select, okay, go to geometric shapes, and the symbols which we need is this one is positive. Go to take insert. This one is in negative. Insert. Okay, let's close this one. And this is the symbol I have kept it. Now, if you copy this one, okay, copy this entire symbol, Control C, and select this. What I need to go to home, go to format, go to the custom. So here, what we have learned is positive, negative, and zeros. This is what the formula is. So positive, negative. Okay, let's go paste this one. Okay, the positive should be in up arrow, negative should be in down arrow. I'm not using any zeros, so just click OK. So now I get whatever I have. This is my positive because I have sold 20 quantities more than what I have planned. So that's the reason it's showing up arrow. Here I have sold 50 quantities less than what I have planned. So that's the reason show. So now I need to color those things. So what you do is the same way. If you go and say here in positive, what you need to do is it should be in green. Okay, close parenthesis. What should be in negative, it should be in red. Okay, so okay. This is my well. So I'll get that. So this is what we can display. This will be more look and feel, and it will display very effectively. And now I want to change the color. Green is too bright. I want to change the color. You can I'll give you this link where you can go and see what color you can use it. Say for example, I want to use this one, green color. For green color, red is 3 also can use. Okay, now go back here, go again. Here in the green, instead of green, what we need to type is say COLOR What is the color is 10. Here red I will keep it as it is. Just say okay. See, the green is now little brighter. Okay. This is how you can display. Hope you can. So even in, if you select again, go here. If you say what is the red, for red you can use 3. So let's say even you can type red as well, or you can say CLOR 3. So this is a red. Okay, so you can use both ways. Okay, this is one example. Similar to this, again, I wanted to have the difference equal to, this is, I need to have a percentage. Difference should be in percentage. So what I do is sold minus plan. Okay, sorry. Sold divided by plan minus 1. So you'll have 0.07. So if you keep it in percentage, it will be 7%. I have sold more, which is in negative. So if you just, what you do is you can just select as well this one. Okay, press F2, control press enter. You can also do that as well. So I just wanted to, okay. So this is, should be in percentage. Just click on percentage here. Okay. So this 11% I have sold. 11% deficit, 11% I have sold lesser than what I have planned in this month. So similarly, now I need a, to display what I have displayed here is in this format. Percentage should come, then the up arrow and down arrow should come. So again, what you do is go to the custom format. So this one is in plus. Okay, this plus should be in. Okay, let me, I have not copied the symbol. Let me just copy the symbol. Okay, copy the symbol. Come back here. Go back again. Okay, so go to the custom. Okay, what I press here, remove this one, control X. Should be minus 0%. Okay, so now let's see here. It has a percentage as well as, so what we need is let keep the up arrow and down arrow at the end. Go to the again number. Let's copy this one, control X. You keep this one as well, control X. Okay, and you want a color, positive is COLOR 10, close the bracket, and then open red. Let's keep it red. Okay, this one way you can display this in the format. And what we need is basically is another format is like, again, if you go, there is a, let's say after number you need a space. For example, you need some space, so you can use the double quotes space, close. No, sorry, let's escape it. Let's go back again. Okay, double quotes. What you do is 2 spaces. Okay, two spaces. Okay, it will give some space. So what is the problem is, if you double click here, it will keep the same space. But what I need is basically you can use another way where instead of spaces, let's remove this one again. You can use one way, this one, remove this double quotes, remove the quotes here. Let's keep, if I press star and give space, what happens is star will repeat whatever the next character after star until the numbers are there, then it will print the up arrow. Let's give you an example there. What I'll do is star space, just say okay. So what happens is it will keep all my numbers in left align, and all my symbols will be right aligned until, so however I increase the space, so it will be till once it complete, the symbols will be coming. Okay, just keep this one. This is the two format. I just wanted to explain it. I will also give, you can use any of the code here if you want to display in blue. Blue is 5. So what you can do is just select, go to the here and say blue. Let's say instead of red I wanted to display blue, COLOR 5. Okay, it should be in blue color. So this is how you can use this custom number formatting. This is actually a very, you can also do using conditional formatting, which we will explain later, but this one is a more effective and more user friendly as well. Okay, let's, thank you. I hope you have learned this session, and hope you have good understanding on number formatting, since we have taken many different ways of displaying number formatting. Okay, thank you. Thanks for, please share your comments and like if you like this video. Thank you very much.